Yo, what's up everybody? Thanks for being back at the channel. So today I'm going to be talking about what I've learned so far in oil painting and how necessary that I do it for this video, because I'm going to be varnishing some paintings and this is the last step of oil painting. Now, I'm going to be talking about key things that have helped me out and some things in general that have helped develop my skills as a better artist, and also teach me a bit of discipline as an artist. I've been oil painting for about a year and a half. It's a medium I never thought I would get into, but since I got into it, I absolutely love it, and I'm hoping the information that I give you guys today will help you along with your journey and also with you becoming the greatest artist that you can be, maybe even the best ever, who knows. But right before we get into that, let you guys know I'm on Patreon. On my Patreon, I'm doing my body artwork, some body painting. There you're gonna find exclusive content, so head over there. All right, so let's talk about my first point, which is keep it simple. Now, when I say keep it simple, I'm talking in terms of how much information you research and take in, and in terms of supplies and everything else. So when you're first getting into oil painting, you're going to be doing a lot of research, of course, a lot of YouTube videos, a lot of reading things on the internet. The thing is, you want to keep it simple to the point where you're not overwhelming yourself. That happens with a lot of people, even me. So for me, keeping it simple looked like brainstorming, pretty much looking at other artists and saying, okay, I really like this type of style and I would like to kind of model off of that. What do I need to achieve this? What techniques do I need to use to achieve it? Another thing that I learned is buying the right supplies. Now, you can check out this video right here where I basically put together a supply list for oil painting. The thing is that there's so many products out there that it's very easy, again, to get overwhelmed when you're looking at, hey, what does this medium do? Linseed oil versus liquid, drying time. That can overwhelm you and turn you off. But if you simplify it and get the right supplies, then you'll be ready and set to go. So start off with the primaries, get yourself a medium. Decide if you want it to be slow drying or fast drying. Something slow drying would be something like a linseed oil or a Stan oil. Something fast drying that will help you work a little bit faster is something like a liquid. And get yourself a paint thinner, so a mineral spirits. And get yourself some good brushes. They have, I would suggest, I'm not even gonna name the different ones, but I would suggest a synthetic brush to start out with, and that's gonna set you on the right path. One other thing that's helped me out is studying for my style. And what that looks like is looking at other artists that I really admire, checking out their work, and kind of picking up some techniques from them. And through those techniques, I develop my own type of style, and I'm able to achieve the look that I want. So you definitely want that as a starting point, especially if you're a self-taught artist and you're learning this craft on your own. It can definitely help you out. One thing too you guys want to keep in mind is that with your work, you don't want to rush it. I know a lot of times when we're starting out something new, we can get so excited that we want to get to the end as fast as possible, even in this day of social media where things are so rapidly being posted. You can almost have that feeling of being forced to quickly finish your painting and get it up for everybody to see. Slow it down, take your time, and you're gonna get the best results from there. I promise you 100%. I've recently done this where I've taken a few months with a piece. It was a large piece, but I've taken a few months with it, and I really buckled down on my skills and techniques, and it came out amazing. So practice that with your work. And then lastly, enjoy the subject matter that you're painting. If you're really into portraits, comics, landscapes, abstracts, whatever it be, Enjoy the process of painting that. Don't deviate from it until you're absolutely ready, because you're just going to be miserable in your whole process. Thank you guys for watching the video. I'm going to be back with more tips that help me out through this journey of oil painting. This is just a little introduction. Make sure you guys check me out on Patreon. Make sure you guys check me out on Instagram. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.